Hey guys, Ernest here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're looking at unboxing a Hot Wheels 5-pack Nightburnerz series. It's got a Alpha Pursuit, a 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S, a 1998 Honda Prelude, a Datsun 620, and a McLaren Speedtail. So let's go ahead and get them out of the box, and I'll put each one of them on the turntable. Alright, that's the cars out of the cardboard packaging. I'll put each one of them now on the turntable. Okay, the first one I got on the table is a Alpha Pursuit. Obviously a police car. The next car is a 1989 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S. Next one up in the box is a 1998 Honda Prelude. Next one in the 5-pack is a Datsun 620, and it looks like it's one of those Kaido House series ones, going by the decals. The last one in the 5-pack is a McLaren Speedtail. Okay, that's all the cars lined up that we had to look at today out of the Hot Wheels 5-pack. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do like what you see, please do like and subscribe and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all.